I'm Kate Orff. I'm a professor of urban design and landscape architecture at Columbia University, and actually we're here learning and sharing and an exchange of knowledge with Uni de los Andes on so many topics. But one absolutely critical topic that brings us together is the role of water in urban systems. And at Columbia we've been studying what we're calling water urbanism over almost a decade now in really diverse contexts, from Cantá, Vietnam, to Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, to points in between, Varanasi, India, etc. And Colombia, and particularly Bogota, is a fascinating place to think about the role of water in cities. And I think one thing that we've found throughout is that we're trying to put forth an alternative imagination about how water in cities, and thinking about biodiversity and nature-based solutions in cities, could be much more combined and much more integrated and synthetic. So rather than a kind of repair, how can we imagine cities that are grounded in biodiversity and kind of express and embrace these values? So I would say, more than thinking about water as a utility or a single layer of a system, we're interested in a profound transformation of urban culture centered around water, very different to a sort of decades and decades of cities that have been now recently shaped by gasoline and fossil fuels. So we believe the future of cities is in embracing water and embracing biodiverse contexts.